In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create multiple wish lists on Amazon and, if possible, move items between them. Now, having multiple wish lists can be incredibly helpful, particularly if you want to organize your shopping, keep track of different kinds of items, or separate what you need for different occasions or people. So, let's dive right into the process, which is quite straightforward and manageable. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Amazon website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already done so. Signing in will give you access to all your account's features, including the ability to create and manage wish lists. After you've logged in, head to the top right corner of the Amazon homepage. Here, you'll see the Account and Lists option. Hover your cursor over it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, go ahead and select Your Lists. This will take you to the page where all your wish lists are managed. On the Your Lists page, you'll notice an option to Create a List. Click on this, and a new window will pop up, prompting you to give your new list a name. Be thoughtful with your naming. It's best to choose something that clearly represents what you intend to put in this list. For example, birthday gifts for friends, or home improvements. Once you've named your list, remember to save it. Saving ensures that your new list is created and ready to be used. Now that you have multiple lists, switching between them is a breeze. You can navigate through them by returning to the Your Lists menu anytime you want to add or organize items. When you're browsing Amazon and you find a product you want to add, go to the product page and look for the Add to List button. After clicking it, you'll have the choice to select which list you want the item to go into, thanks to the drop-down list options that appear. Let's move on to how you can shift items between your lists. Once again, head to your list page and find the item you're considering moving. Next to each item in your list, you should see a Move option. This feature, as explained by Techwala, allows you to transfer items seamlessly from one list to another. Simply select the target list you want to move your item to from the options provided. After you've selected it, ensure that you save or confirm the move so that the item is relocated successfully. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to manage multiple wish lists on Amazon for better organization and convenience in your shopping experience. Whether it's for personal, professional, or special purposes, utilizing multiple lists can significantly enhance how you store and categorize your desired and needed products.